Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone 13 is updated and has enough battery. This avoids interruptions when importing files. Next, attach the Lightning SD card reader or a compatible hub. Insert the SD into the reader so contacts face down and snap it fully in. Once done, plug the reader into the iPhone. You'll often feel a click. Make sure the connection is firm and that any hub power or pass-through is enabled, because unstable contact leads to read errors. Once the reader is connected, open Photos to import pictures. Tap Import and pick items, then choose Import Selected or Import All. Imported photos go to Recently Added. For non-image files, open the Files app, tap Browse, and locate the external reader under Locations. Then copy or move files into iCloud Drive or on My iPhone folders. Make sure you confirm destination so files end up where you expect, and wait until progress finishes before removing the reader to avoid corruption. To finish, confirm transfers completed and close photos or files before removing the reader. A quick pause ensures data is flushed. If your iPhone doesn't recognize the reader, unplug, reseat the SD card, and reconnect. Try a different adapter or restart the phone if needed. Also check the card format. FAT32 or XFAT is supported. Proprietary or encrypted formats won't mount. If problems persist, test the card in a computer to isolate whether the card or the reader is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.